So let me take you inside GoHighLevel and show you the most powerful features you will use to automate and scale your business and your agency. The first one is the CRM and pipeline management. We click on the GoHighLevel tab the moment you log in, sign up and log in using the 30 days free trial link that you will find in the resources section, or hit me up in the Q&A section and I'll share that with you. So the moment you sign up using the 30 days free trial, this is where you are gonna come to. Now, the first feature that we will be talking about is the CRM and pipeline management. Very similar to if you have used Pipeline, it works exactly the same way. So here is the opportunities tab. You can look for different pipelines that you have created, the sales pipeline, the recruitment leads, the real estate leads, whatever business you are in and whatever pipeline you follow. So the lead, qualification, appointment, and closing. You can create your own pipeline by going into pipelines and just giving you a quick overview of everything. Create a new pipeline, create the stages, and boom, you are done. Once you are done with this, you can simply drag and drop people from one stage to another stage, or you can set up automation for that as well. The next powerful feature is the funnels and website builder. So you get funnels, websites, creating forms, surveys, quizzes, adding a chat widget, doing it all right here at one place. You get a lot of pre-built templates for lead generation, sales, appointments, and much more. You can create complete websites for yourself or for your clients. Next, and the very powerful feature is the automation. So here you can set up all the workflows like the appointment workflow, lead response workflows, ML recruitment, nurture workflows, recruitment agency, review system, ChatGPT prompt workflow. So you can create different workflows. What these workflows are? Let me show you one example workflow. Let's say ML recruitment. That's a recruitment related workflow. Appointment book workflow. That's how a sample workflow looks like. The moment a customer books an appointment, an opportunity is created that gets updated in your pipeline. An email is sent, an internal notification is sent, then you wait, you again send a reminder email, and so on. That's the most basic workflow. And you can also use the AI workflow feature that will help you create an entire workflow. You do not have to think or bother about anything, and the AI takes care of it all. This is a very, very, very powerful feature. Yet, another powerful feature is the booking and calendar system. It gives you a lot of power. Whether you are, if I go to calendar settings, you will find that you can set up calendars, build a team, move around, different options like personal booking, round robin, class booking, collective booking, even calendar service booking. You can have rentals, you can sell equipments, you can do it all right here in calendars and bookings. So this is not just calendars, but also bookings. The next feature is email and SMS marketing. So you can go to marketing tab. Well, in the marketing tab, you can set up your entire social media campaign, connect your different social media platforms. You can run email marketing campaigns. You can set up trigger links. You can manage affiliate. You can manage ads over here. You can create content using AI and do a lot of different things. Email and SMS marketing is done. Then you have reputation and review management. This is very important for the small businesses that you might be working for. You can set up and automate the reviews that you receive, the responses to the reviews, and so many more things. That's reputation and review management. Then you have AI chatbots and integrations. So if you see, you have conversational AI, you have voice AI agents, you have workflow AI that I just showed you. So you have a lot of full set of AI tools that you can be using inside. And like I already said, you simply need to look for the link in the resources section and get a 30 days free trial and access to an entire course on building and scaling your agency. Yes, find it somewhere in the resources section or hit me up in the Q&A section and I'll just share the link with you.